Hi friends, once again welcome back to my channel. It's DIY craft videos. So guys, today we are creating a Christmas wreath that brings the warmth of the season straight into your home. I am starting with a simple piece because the magic always comes from the details we add on top. First, I layer soft greenery to give the wreath a full natural look. Then I tuck in pine cones, berries, and tiny ornaments to add those cozy holiday touches. To make it feel more festive, I add warm fairy lights, waving them gently between the branches so the wreath glows softly, almost like a little piece of Christmas morning light. You can customize it with any you love, classic red and gold, snowy whites and silvers, or natural rustic tones with wooden charms and burlap ribbon. The best part about making your own wreath is that every element tells a story. The pine cone you picked up on a walk, the ribbon you saved from last year, the tiny ornament that reminds you of home. Handmade decor holds memories, and that's what makes your Christmas space feel so special. Whether you hang this wreath on your front door, above your fireplace, or in your hallway, it brings a warm welcome to everyone who sees it. Simple materials, gentle colors, and a touch of creativity. That's all you need to create a beautiful Christmas wreath filled with love and holiday spirit. Let's create a Christmas wreath filled with elegance and warmth. I begin with a soft green base, then add layers of leaves to give it a fresh wintry feel. Next, I place pine cones, cinnamon sticks, and tiny red berries to bring it that classic Christmas charm. A satin ribbon ties everything together, adding a gentle. This wreath feels like a warm welcome at the door, simple, handmade, and full of festive magic. Today, I am making a rustic Christmas wreath inspired by nature. I start with twine wrapped branches, keeping the structure earthy and simple. Then I weave in natural pine, dried oranges, cinnamon, and little wooden stars. The scent alone feels like Christmas. This kind of wreath has a cozy cottage feel impact. Natural and beautifully warm. Hang it anywhere you want the season. The whisper its magic. Here is a snowy Christmas wreath that looks like it came straight out of a winter fairy tale. I gently frost the branches with white paint and silver berries for the soft snowy shimmer. Next, I place small snowflakes and pour essence to give it a magical glow. A white ribbon completes the look. This wreath brings a peaceful winter, wonderful vibe into your home, calm, bright, and beautifully frosted. Every piece adds a pop of brightness and cheer. Then I finish it with a bold red bow that brings the whole wreath to life. This style is loud, festive, and perfect for the front door where it spreads instant holiday happiness. So guys, I really hope that you were really enjoying all these wreaths and you will try at home. So guys, if you have any request or if you have any question, please let me know in comment section. In my next video you will see many new and different and unique craft ideas. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you, love you all, and enjoy your holidays with your family and friends.